Crossroads. He said he made me a deal. Sign on the dotted line and I will make your dreams real. I just wanna be a writer, I wanna pick up the best. He said, boy, prick your finger at your name and but I'll handle the rest. I said, mister, what's your name? He said, I go by a few. It's no concern of yours, boy, tell me what you gonna do. I can give you fame and riches beyond your wildest dreams. But you gotta be willing to get them by any means. He said, I want your soul, oh, so son, sell it to me. Oh, and I will make the hits flow from your fingertips like the stream. So I shook the man's hand, put my name on his page. Oh, and he said we will meet again at the end of your days. And my mama said, baby, what have you done? Oh, the man in black himself has come to reap the poor soul of my son. I said, mama, don't you worry, I'm gonna pay all our bills. I ain't wanna laugh before I'm finally gonna know how it feels. Can't you see that crowd, mama? Can't you hear all their cheers? I'm gonna be so rich, I promise you'll forget all your fears. So I sit on the stage and I sing and I play. Oh, waiting for the man in black to come and reap me at the end of my days.